welcome to Vijay Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss problems on vector product part 1. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను తప్పక మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తెలియచేయండి. Okay, let us go to the today's topic, problems on vector product part 1. Let us go to the first one. I cap plus j cap cross product of I cap minus j cap is equals to. So in this question they are asking that you have to find the cross product of I cap plus j cap and I cap minus j cap. Let us go to the solution. I cap plus j cap cross product of I cap minus j cap is equals to I cross I cap minus I cross j cap plus j cap cross I cap minus j cap cross product of j cap. Here I cross I is equals to 0 minus I cross j is equals to k cap plus j cross j cap cross I cap is equals to minus k cap minus j cap cross j cap is equals to 0. So this entire is equals to minus k cap minus k cap, that is equals to minus 2k cap. So final answer is cross product of I cap plus j cap and I cap minus j cap is equals to minus 2k cap. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Second question, the radius vector r bar is equals to 2I cap plus 5k cap and the angular velocity of a particle is omega bar is equals to 3I cap minus 4k cap. Then the linear velocity of the particle is, here in this question the given r bar and omega bar and we have to calculate linear velocity of the particle. So let us go to the solution. Here given r bar is equals to 2I cap plus, here there is no component of j, so you can write 0 j cap plus 5k cap and omega bar they given as 3I cap. Here 0 j not there, so that's why you are writing 0 j cap minus 4k cap. Now we are finding the linear velocity. Linear velocity V bar is equals to omega bar cross r bar. So now we are doing cross product of angular velocity and radius vector. So I, j, k, and we are writing the components of I, j, k in linear in angular velocity. So those are 3, 0, minus 4 and we are writing the I, j, k components of r bar. Those are nothing but I component 2 and j component 0 and k component 5. Now we are doing this cross product V bar is equals to I cap determinant of 0 minus 4 0 5 and minus j cap of determinant of 3 minus 4 2 5 plus k cap of determinant of 3 0 and 2 0. So now we are doing this determinants I cap of 0 into 5, 0, and again 0 into minus 4, 0 here, minus 4 here, plus 4, that is 0 into 0, minus j cap of 5 3 is a 15, minus 4 2 is a 8, minus of minus 8 plus 8, plus k cap of 3 into 0, 0, minus 2 into 0, 0. So, that is equals to I 0 plus 0, 0 into I cap 0, and again 15 plus 8, 23 j bar, minus 23 j cap. Next question, third one. If the dot product of two vectors is equals to the magnitude of the cross product of the same vectors, then the angle between the vectors is. Here you have to calculate angle between the vectors. Here the given dot product of two vectors is equals to the magnitude of cross product of the same vectors. Let us go to the solution. Here the given a bar dot b bar dot product of two vectors is equals to cross product of a bar modulus of a bar cross b bar. So dot a bar dot b bar is equals to ab cos theta, that is equals to AB sin theta. A bar cross B bar is equals to AB sin theta. Here AB gets cancels. Sin, cos theta is equals to sin theta, or you can written as sin theta by cos theta is equals to 1. So this implies sin by cos tan theta. Tan theta is equals to 1. Tan theta is equals to 1 can be written as tan 45. So, tan theta is equal to tan 45. Then theta is equals to 45 degrees. You can write it as either theta is equal to 45 or pi by 4 radians. Pi nothing but 180. 180 by 4 gives 45. So, the angle between the vectors is either 45 degrees or in terms of pi by 4. Okay, this is the final answer. Next, we will go to the next question. Fourth one, if f bar is equals to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap and r bar is given as I cap minus j cap plus 6 k cap, find r bar cross f bar. So here you have to calculate r bar cross f bar. So let us go to the solution. Given f bar is equals to 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap, and r bar is equals to the given I cap minus j cap plus 6 k cap. Now we are finding the r bar cross f bar, that is equals to I cross product of r bar and r bar and f bar, I j k. So first we are writing the r components 1 minus 1 6 and f bar vectors 2i plus 3j minus k cap, component of I 2, component of j 3 and component of k minus 1. So that is equals to I cap of determinant of minus 1 6 3 minus 1 and minus j cap of determinant of 1 6 2 minus 1 plus k cap of determinant of 1 minus 1 2 3. Now, so that is equals to I cap of 1 into 1, 1, minus 1, minus into minus, plus 1. Here 3 6 are 18, minus 18, minus j cap of 1 into minus 1, minus 1, and 6 2 are 12, minus 12, plus k cap of 3 1 ja 3, 2 1 ja 2, minus 2, minus into minus plus 2. So plus 2. That is equals to I cap of 1 minus 18, 17I minus minus 13. So minus into minus plus. Plus 13 j cap plus 3 plus 2 5. 5 k cap. So this is the final answer R bar cross F bar. So therefore final answer is R bar cross F bar is equals to minus 17I, here minus 17I plus 13j cap plus 5k cap. So we are finding the R cross F. So R bar cross F bar is equals to minus 17I cap plus 13j cap plus 5k cap. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the fifth one. Area of parallelogram formed by vectors 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap of M and I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap of M is. So here we have to find out the area of the parallelogram formed by these two vectors. So now let us go to the solution. Given here we are assuming that one is a bar, other is a b bar. So a bar is equals to 3I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, and b bar is equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Now we are finding the area of parallelogram, that is equals to modulus of A bar cross B bar. So first we are finding the A bar cross B bar, that is equals to I j k, components of A 3 minus 2 1 and components of B 1 2 3. So that is equals to I cap of determinant of minus 2 1 2 3 minus j cap determinant of, this is a determinant det of, minus j cap det of 3 1 1 3 plus k cap of determinant of 3 minus 2 1 2. So that is equals to I cap of 3 2s are 6 minus 2 minus 6. Here 2 1s are 2 minus 2 minus j cap of 3 3s are 9, 1 into 1 minus 1 plus k cap of 3 2s are 6, here minus into minus plus 1 into 2 2. So that is equals to, we are getting minus 8I, here 9 minus 1 8 minus 8 j cap plus again here 6 plus 2 8 k cap. Next we are writing A bar cross B bar is equals to, now minus 8 I cap minus 8 j cap plus 8 k cap. Now we are finding the modulus of A bar cross B bar is equals to square root of I component whole square and j component whole square plus k component whole square. Here minus 8 whole square, here also minus 8 whole square, and here also 8 whole square. So now we are taking 8 whole square as a common, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So whole under a root. So that is equals to 8 square into 3. Now we are writing here square root cancel, and this 8 whole square under root, and again root 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. This square root will cancel, 8 root 3. So area of parallelogram A bar cross B bar is equals to 8 root 3 meter square. Final answer is therefore area of parallelogram is equals to 8 root 3 meter square. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Sixth one. Find the value of x and y for which vectors a bar is equals to 6i cap plus xj cap minus 2k cap and b bar is equals to 5i cap minus 6j cap minus yk cap may be parallel. So now we have to find out the values of x and y by the given vectors a bar and b bar. Let us go to the solution. Here given a bar is equals to 6i cap plus xj cap minus 2k cap, and b bar is equals to they given as 5i cap minus 6j cap minus yk cap. Now these two are parallel. So a bar is parallel to b bar if ax by bx is equals to ay by by is equals to az by bz. So now we are writing the components, that is ax by bx nothing but 6 by 5, that is equal to ay by by nothing but y component x by minus 6, that is equal to minus 2 by minus y. Minus minus gets cancels. Now taking these two values, so 6 by 5 is equals to x by minus 6. Now we are taking cross multiplication, that implies 5 into x, 5x is equals to minus 6 6 are 36. So x is equals to minus 36 by 5, and from this 2 x by minus 6 is equals to 2 by y. Now taking cross multiplication, here x here 6 by 5. Okay, now we are taking these two, finding the value of y. So 6 by 5 is equals to 2 by y. Now taking cross multiplication, y into 6 6y, 6y is equal to 10, then y is equals to 10 by 6, 2 5 ja 2 3 ja, so that is equal to 5 by 3. Therefore the final answer is, now we are finding the x and y values. So what is we are getting x value? X is equals to minus 36 by 5 and y is equals to 5 by 3. This is the final answer. So x and y values are minus 36 by 5 and the value of y is 5 by 3. Okay. Next we will go to the next question, seventh one. If a comma b are the magnitudes of vectors a bar and b bar and a bar dot b bar is equal to 0, then find the value of a bar modulus of a bar cross b bar. So let us go to the solution. Here you have to find the value of modulus of a bar cross b bar. So the given a bar dot b bar is equals to 0. When this dot product is equal to 0, when these the two are perpendicular, that is theta is equals to 90 degrees, and you are finding the value of modulus of a bar cross b bar. So that is equals to modulus of a bar modulus of b bar sine theta. Theta is equals to 90 degrees. A B sine 90. Sine 90 is equals to 1. Therefore, modulus of A bar cross B bar is equals to sine theta value 1. Since sine 90 is equals to 1. So, modulus of A bar cross B bar is equals to AB. So, therefore, the final answer is modulus of A bar cross B bar is equals to AB. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Eighth one, if A bar cross B bar modulus of A bar cross B bar whole square plus dot product of A bar and B bar whole square is equals to. So here we have to find the modulus of A bar cross B bar whole square plus A bar dot B bar whole square is equals to. So now let us go to the solution. Here they given modulus of A bar cross B bar whole square plus A bar dot B bar whole square. So now we have to find out the value of this. So A bar cross B bar whole modulus of A bar cross B bar whole square is equals to AB sine theta whole square, and this A bar dot B bar is equals to AB cos theta whole square. So this can be written as A square B square sine square theta plus AB cos theta whole square, nothing but A square B square cos square theta. Now you are taking common A square B square of, so here remaining is sine square theta and here remaining cos square theta. Since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So substituting in the place of A square B square, here in the place of this sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that is equals to A square into B square. So therefore the final answer is modulus of A bar cross B bar whole square plus A bar dot B bar whole square is equals to A square B square. This is the final answer. Okay, next we will go to the next question. Ninth one, if P bar is equals to I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap and Q bar is equals to 3I cap minus 2J cap plus K cap, the unit vector perpendicular to both P and Q. You have to calculate the unit vector which is perpendicular to both P and Q vectors. Okay, let us go to the solution. Here they given P bar is equals to P bar is equals to I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap, and they given Q bar is equals to 3I cap minus 2J cap plus K cap. Unit vector perpendicular to both unit vector perpendicular to unit vector perpendicular to both P bar and Q bar is n cap, that is equals to P bar cross Q bar by modulus of P bar cross Q bar. So now first we have to calculate P bar cross Q bar. So that is equals to, now we are finding the cross product of P and Q. So I, J, K and components are 1, 1, 2 and in the Q vector components are 3, minus 2, 1. Now we are finding the cross product of P and Q. So next P bar cross Q bar is equals to I cap of determinant of 1, 2, minus 2, 1 minus j cap of 1, 2, 3, 1 plus k cap of determinant of 1, 1, 3 minus 2. So that is equals to I cap of 1 into 1, 1, here 2 2 ja 4, minus into minus plus 4, minus j cap of 1 into 1, 1, minus 3 2 ja 6, here plus k cap of minus 2 minus 3. So that is equals to I cap of 1 plus 4, 5, minus here minus 5 minus into minus plus 5 j cap, here minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 k cap. So now what we are getting, P bar cross Q bar is equals to 5 I cap plus 5 j cap minus 5 k cap. Now we are finding the modulus of P bar cross Q bar is equals to under root of 5 square plus 5 square plus 5 square. Now taking common 5 square of 1 plus 1 plus 1 under a root. This can be written as 5 square root and root 3. Square root cancel. So that is equals to, we are getting 5 root 3. Now therefore n cap is equals to modulus of, here there is no modulus here, n cap is equals to P bar cross Q bar by modulus of P bar cross Q bar. So that is equals to P bar cross Q bar, this is P bar cross Q bar. So 5 I cap plus 5 j cap minus 5 k cap by, here modulus of P bar cross Q bar, what we are getting, 5 root 3. So taking 5 as a common, I cap plus j cap minus k cap by 5 root 3. 5 gets cancels. Therefore final answer is, so the final answer is n cap is equals to I cap plus j cap minus k cap by root 3. This is the final answer. I cap plus j cap minus k cap by root 3. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. 10th one. Two sides of a triangle are given by I cap plus j cap plus k cap and minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Then you have to find the area of triangle is. So here you have to find the area of triangle given by the two sides of a triangle. Let us go to the solution. Here sides of a triangle, we are assuming that one is a bar, other is a b bar. So a bar is equals to I cap plus j cap plus k cap and b bar is equals to minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Now we are finding the area of triangle. Area of triangle is equals to area of triangle is equals to half modulus of A bar cross B bar. So first we are calculating A bar cross B bar, that is equals to I j k 1 components of A 1 1 1 and components of B minus 1 2 3. So that is equals to I cap of determinant of 1 1 2 3 minus j cap of determinant of 1 1 minus 1 3 plus k cap of determinant of 1 1 minus 1 2. Next we are finding the A bar cross B bar, that is equals to I cap of 3 minus 2 minus j cap of 3 minus of minus 1 plus k cap of 2 minus of minus 1. So that is equals to 3 minus 2 1 I cap minus 3 minus 1 minus of minus plus 3 plus 1 4 j cap plus k of here minus of minus plus 2 plus 1 3. So 3 k cap. So A bar cross B bar is equals to I cap minus 4 j cap plus 3 k cap. Now we are finding the modulus of A bar cross B bar is equals to root of 1 square plus 4 whole square. Here we are taking minus 4 whole square plus 3 whole square, the component of I and the component of j and the component of k. So that is equals to root of 1 plus minus 4 whole square minus into minus plus 4 square 16 plus 3 square 9. So this is equals to root 26. Now therefore area of triangle is equals to half modulus of A bar cross B bar. So that is equals to, here we are getting modulus of A bar cross B bar root 26. So root 26 by 2. This is the final answer. The area of triangle is equals to, so therefore area of triangle is equals to root 26 by 2. Okay, this is the final answer. Thanks for watching this video.